Chris and Nally, they came up to me, they asked me, if I wanted to MC this. They gave me the script, I said, you know what, I think I'm just gonna wing it. Alright, on that note, I want to thank Chris and Nally for putting together the 3rd annual TSD Wing-a-thon. They've done a great job. So, without further ado, should we get started with the teams? Our first team, Nicole and Steven. After a long and trying year as first years, Steven and Nicole are ready to welcome second year by annihilating as many chicken wings as humanly possible. El Presidente, Steven Rogers, the Usain Bolt of his day, for his perfectly coiffed hair, micro appearance, and basic throw style, there's a winging machine waiting to be unleashed today. Flower Child, Nicole Ratchet Her appetite for chicken wings is overshadowed only by her daily caffeine intake. Together, these two underdogs can put the fight in bite wings. Alrighty, next team. Velveeta breakfast bars. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Prestige Worldwide. Next team we've got Trevor and John, team name Meat Packers. People say his mother would eat chicken wings whole, so he could debone them in the womb. But those were never seen again. John Pavlov Pavlakis, and his hair is as feathered as the bird he's about to consume. Trevor Trepsoff Klein. Alright, and on to the next team, we've got Cole and Vinny. Introducing the Duffalopians. Don't let our performance last year fool you, they say. We are shaking off the loss and are ready to compete. Be sure to watch out for frontal feeding this year, especially when the judges state to feed your partner from behind. Keep a close eye on the champions of last year, they remind us. You may notice that we look a little thinner. We are hungrier than ever and we're thirsty for blood and hot sauce. Alright, next team, we've got Michael and Renee. So we've got the Monster Lovers of Wings. Getting all the way from Mike and Conrad came to Earth for the sole purpose of eating chicken wings. There's no fried food in space and it's just pure awkward. Mike was a home decorator for a few years, but his love of chicken wings and all fried foods forced him to change careers. He now owns a small, well-furnished, one-person apartment off Delaware and lives alone. Conrad was a professional bodybuilder on his home planet, but when his competitors discovered what steroids were, he found himself at a severe disadvantage. Recreationally, Mike and Conrad like to wine and dine themselves at Chipotle and frequently get bills of only chicken. They consider training for this competition. Let's give it up for Mike and Conrad. Not least, we've got Andrew Troyne and Arnie Bigby. We've got the Culture Punishers with us today. The Masters of Mastication return to defend their title as champions. and are ready to dance under the lights. They bristled with chicken bones and tussled with the pail. They handcuffed the flats and threw the bats in jail. Just last week they murdered the blue cheese, injured the celery, hospitalized the carrot stick. They so mean they make us get so sick. Let's go! They're going to need it. Let's give it up for Andrew Twin and Artie Big. Just a note, that goblet of shade in the middle there, if your mouths get too hot, you can either finish it or pour it on yourself or your teammate. If you pour it on another team, then you will be disqualified. So something to keep note of.
Where the bones going?
Also, just keep note, things might change during the competition, so keep a close ear.
Where do the bones go?
In the box. In the box, so then you weigh whatever.
Which box? This box?
We've got 6 of those. Any other questions before we get going here?
Just one.
In 3, 2, 1, go! everyone just please let them be, let them do that on their own. And we will get back to you shortly with the results. So stick around, have some beer, talk to each other, enjoy the race. And thank you for having me. DSD, 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 DSD.
That's how we Okay, no, this is done.
How hot were they? How do you feel?
It hurts so much.
Disappointed. I should have done better. I should have done better.
Hands out. Girl, how was it? Oh, it was hard.
Not that bad.
Oh God, I keep forgetting it's a video. I feel good, you know, get the protein in after the run. You know, I'm about to go to the gym after this, you know?
Oh man.
Is there any water left?
I know, I'm looking for that.
Drum roll, please. We've got Steven and Nicole coming in third place. And in
Test 1, Test 2.
Yo! And I've
Test
been
1.
dying to have a hot dog all day. Oh my god. I can't believe we won third!
I know!
That's so awesome!
Wait to eat.
Another one.
Bye, guys.
I was like, that's so
We got third!
Oh, that's awesome. Damn.
Who got second?
That's the right. I told Jonathan.
Conrad and
Wow, did we beat John?
Woo! D1!
I'm holding that over his head for a second.
Am I getting this right? What were the placements?
You didn't place, John.
Yeah, that school's tough.
You expect 6.
Turn that off!
I didn't